everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a easy like Christmas makeup look, and it's gonna be quick and easy. So I already did my eyebrows. Also sorry I didn't make a video this week, but I was sick and I didn't really feel like filming. So yeah, but here I am filming a video now. I'm gonna try to get this out tomorrow. I'm gonna try to edit this video I'm making right now, get it out tomorrow, so it should be up Sunday. First I'm gonna prime my eyes. Then take this green and yellow and I'm gonna mix the two. I am bringing it down to the lid too though. You don't have to bring it down to the lid if you want, but go ahead and use this Cal Cosmetics brush. Some liner. 2. Also, if you didn't check out my I think it's like a I forget the name. And then this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye, then I'll be right back. I'm finished, and I also did my lower lash. I did smoke it out quite a lot. I didn't mean to even smoke it out this much, but I'm actually feeling it though. So these are the eyes. Add some blush, some highlight, and stuff like that. So yeah. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on post notification bells to get notified every time I make a new video, which is 3 times a week. And see you guys in my next video. Peace.